I have had problems with the way our chief justices have been selected in this country.
The selection process?
The selection is very, very flawed. The former president, Nana Addo, Akuffo Addo, himself a lawyer, should have respected the tradition of the profession in the selection process.
Are you talking here about the seniority?
Seniority. Therefore, at the time Torkornoo was appointed, how many justices of the Supreme Court did we have? And who was the most senior when former Chief Justice Kwesi Yeboah retired? Now, if you take the story from there, it becomes a very fascinating one. When former Chief Justice Kwesi Yeboah retired, the most senior was Paul Bafuboni, followed by Scott Poama, and then I think Lovelace Johnson. Now, what did we see? The former president took Torkornoo out of 10 from nowhere to the enviable position. And I voiced my sentiments out. I made it quite plain on there that, it wouldn't wash. Any government other than Nana Akuffo Addo's government will not tolerate that kind of abuse. And I think that because the former Lady Chief Justice had not been, cut out, so to speak, for the high office, it entered her head. Likening the office of CJ with regard to former Chief Justice Torkornoo to a traditional stool. If you look at the posture now, it's like me in Kobe, I'm a queen mother.
Yeah.
And what she's doing now constitutes what in our legal language we call abuse of process. You've been given an opportunity, you presented your case, you were heard, you were cross-examined, you were re-examined, and all that. Then you turn around to say that the whole process was flawed, and therefore you aren't going to go away. It's only infantile minds that will do that sort of thing. And I speak my mind.
Yeah.